Philippine Environmental Laws PD 1151 and PD 1152 by Nick Paul Saga II. Introduction. Environmental laws are essential in ensuring that economic growth does not come at the cost of environmental degradation. The Philippines, a country rich in biodiversity but highly vulnerable to climate change, has established various policies to safeguard its natural resources. Among these is Presidential Decree Number 1151 and Presidential Decree Number 1152. These laws serve as the foundation for environmental governance in the country, guiding efforts to achieve long-term sustainability. Presidential Decree Number 1151, Philippine Environmental Policy. Enacted on June 6, 1977. Purpose. This decree establishes a national framework for environmental protection and enchantment. Its key objectives is to promote sustainable development while addressing economic and environmental concerns, ensure Filipinos' right to a clean and healthy environment, mitigating pollution and ecological damage, encourage public participation through education and awareness programs. Provision of PD 1151 set out the national commitment to preserving natural resources, provide guidelines for environmental impact assessment to ensure sustainable project development, to promote research, public awareness, and community initiatives for environmental conservation. Presidential Decree Number 1152, Philippine Environmental Code. Key focuses area: air quality management, ensures clean air for current and future generations. Water quality and resources management, to safeguard freshwater resources and prevent contamination. Land use and conservation, to promote responsible land development and biodiversity protection. Waste management, to encourage sustainable waste disposal methods and reduce waste generation. Air quality management, PD 1152, to regulate industrial emission to minimize air pollution. Prohibits open burning of solid wastes to reduce harmful emissions and to encourage strategies like emission monitoring and green energy incentives. Water quality and resources management, PD 1152, to classify water bodies based on usage to ensure proper conservation. Establishes water quality standard for safe drinking water. To promote sustainable water conservation project and educates the public on water efficiency. Land use and conservation, to plans land use to prevent deforestation and urban sprawl, to protect critical watershed and ecological zones for long-term sustainability, to implement reforestation and soil conservation programs, and to promote agroforestry and sustainable farming practices. Waste management of PD 1152 regulates solid waste management and disposal to minimize landfill dependency, controls hazardous and toxic wastes to prevent environmental contamination, and to implement extended producer responsibility programs to hold industries accountable for waste generation. Impact and implementation. Government agencies like DENR, AMB, and LGUs enforce environmental laws to challenge include funding constraints, awareness gaps, and enforcement issues. To strengthen public and private partnership is crucial for enhancing environmental sustainable efforts. In conclusion, PD 1152 and PD 1151 play a crucial role in promoting sustainable environmental management in the Philippines, ensuring that economic activities align with ecological preservation, strengthening policies, enhancing collaboration among government agencies, private sectors, and communities, and adopting modern environmental technologies are necessary steps toward improved environmental governance. A collective effort is needed to enforce and update these laws, ensuring a greener and sustainable future for the nation. Thank you.